Hi there, students. Bathos with a B, Bathos. You probably know Pathos with a P, but let's look at Bathos, and I'll give you a bit about Pathos as well. Firstly, it's an uncountable noun. Bathos is when, for example, an author is talking about something very beautiful, very important, very literary, and then suddenly it gives a huge twist into something banal, something mundane, something silly, or something very ordinary. I don't know, for example, from The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. They put this enormous computer to work for thousands of years to answer the question, what is the answer to the meaning of life and everything? And after all these thousands of years, the computer says 42. That's Bathos. It's a sudden change. It's a sudden twist. She was dressed in the most elegant clothes, and she went into the dining room of the Ritz Hotel. The waiter came up to her and said, "What can I get for you, madam?" And she said, "Egg and chips, please." There we go. You see, it's a sudden change, a sudden twist, a sudden anticlimax in something. Let's see, pathos with a P is a piece of writing or a situation that causes sadness or people feel sympathy. So when she learned that her husband had died, she broke down crying, holding his picture to her heart and sobbing. That's pathos. Poor thing, what a sad situation. And then she looked at it and said, "Good riddance, you old bastard." That's Bathos. Yeah, we've had a very emotional scene with lots of pathos, and then this sudden change that gives us Bathos. Okay, and that really is the idea of Bathos. Let's see. We can also use Bathos to talk about the failure of a piece of art or a work of art, that it is laughable because it's just so ridiculous that it doesn't affect its audience in a proper way. So maybe it's just so banal or so cliched that it doesn't move the people who see it at all. I don't know. I remember this pile of bricks in the Tate Gallery. I think maybe there was an argument about whether there was bathos in that or not. Yeah, if people just said, "But that's just a pile of bricks. What's artistic about that?" Yeah, and that would be bathos again. Or if somebody's a piece of work is lacks serious treatment of a topic, yeah, that would be bathos as well. So I don't know, talking about the beauty of nature in scientific terms as a piece of art. No, the scientific words define exactly what something is. But if you want the what you've written or what you're saying to sound beautiful, you want to draw analogies. The golden rays of the setting sun illuminated the verdant spring leaves on the trees. Yeah, that's what you would expect. But then if I use a scientific explanation of it, the sun was at 6 degrees to the horizon and obliquely gave 4.2 lumens per meter squared to the saplings of salix which had started to grow due to the spring weather. Okay, this doesn't evoke the feeling of it, and if I tried to make an artistic work in the second way, that would be bathos. Okay, so bathos is really just a sudden weird twist, going from something that's beautiful and wonderful to something that's absolutely awful. Yeah, or something that's just not expected. It's a ludicrous change from the high and important to something just really anticlimactic. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, oh wait, sorry. Formality, bathos. This is a pretty formal word. I think I'm probably going to give it a 7.5. Don't use it in an informal conversation, maybe in a semi-formal conversation. A semi-formal writing would be good, and anything very formal would also be very good as well. And then as to origin, it comes from ancient Greek, or it's borrowed from ancient Greek, the word bathos meaning depth, and it was first first used by Alexander Pope. Yeah, he's a 17th century translator and satirist. Okay, so bathos, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bathos.